Hey guys, it's Kate and welcome back to my channel. Today I have not one, two, or three boxes of Stoney Clover. I have four because I actually have a problem and somebody needs to take my wallet away from me. But they have been popping off with their early spring, now summer, early summer, and they've just released a very Southampton late summer canvas collection. I managed to steer clear of that and the Toy Story Pixar collection remarkably, but I do have four to go through. So buckle up, here we go. I'm so excited. The boxes are plain. They don't have anything on them to indicate Stoney Clover, with the exception sometimes of, it's on this side, the packing tape. Ollie, hi, thank you. Honey, I don't think you can be in the video. You're gonna take away the focus from the Stonies. Everybody's gonna wanna watch you. You know what I'm saying? He's fine. So in this first one, we've got the Western collection. I ordered the Western Smiley acrylic bag charm and the personalized Western denim jumbo fanny pack. These are the little extras that came. So we've got a sticker, which is so cute, as well as a postcard that just says thank you for your purchase from Stoney Clover. And I actually have an adult sticker book here in my nightstand that I keep the Stoney Clover and other stickers kept safe in. So super excited about that. We have the package itself. Of course, we've got the hollow tinsel. So I'm gonna stop talking because it's gonna get loud in just a second. That was actually relatively painless. So here is the bag charm. We've got it in a plastic snap pouch as well as bubble wrap, which is really nice. They're making sure that it is not getting scratched or damaged in transit. And this is what it looks like. I have been dying to go to Dollywood, to Nashville. I'm gonna be the only person dressed Western or like cowboy when we finally do go, but I don't care. I think I'm gonna look so good. I'm so excited. Here is what the fanny looks like. You guys, I am freaking out. Oh, this has been sitting in my closet for going on probably a month or two that I've been accumulating these things to do this larger haul. So it is the first time I'm seeing it. It's beautiful. Oh my God, look, Mom.
Oh my gosh, that's cute.
Right? I love that the lettering is rope.
Do you want to see too?
Oh my gosh.
Do you want to see too?
Okay, but this would also be so good for Woody's Roundup Rodeo.
Oh, perfect.
I'm just saying.
Make reservations for next week.
Oh my gosh. So then I would just stick, I might not be able to because of the tag. Stop it right now. Okay. Oh, I'm in love. I'm in love. Ah! That is absolutely perfect. Okay. We love to see it. So excited. Okay, one box down. Let's move to box number 2. So this was their, quite a bit bigger. This was their early spring collection. It was very tea time, very, yeah, just very, I know I'm so good at describing, like very, like pastel colors, thinking tea time, tea service, Grand Floridian, kind of that vibe. This is the box. Okay, relatively unscathed. All right. Let me get the packing slip and tell you what I got first, as I did with the other one. So this one, I got the jumbo fanny. I got the top handle bag and the curved crossbody bag, both of which were new to this collection and new styles to me. Obviously, I have now quite a few of the fannies. This is the postcard. that came with. Hello, spring. So cute. So I'm excited to see the variation of the other styles. So here's the Fanny. 1, 2, 3. Oh my gosh. I love it. So this is the pattern, a little bit closer without my name on it so you guys can see pink and blue. Oh my God, it's beautiful. I love these. I love these for the parks. I think that they are a perfect size for travel, for park days. I love that. So here's the 2 new styles. Oh, she's little. She's tiny. That's kind of cute though. I have the Dylan bag from the newest Mickey and Friends collection, and that's a really small 90s shoulder bag as well. This little girl is tiny. I mean, literally the size of my hand. So really not much is going to be able to fit in this. I think it's going to be more so the look of it, but it's really cute. I'm thinking like fancy dinners or date nights out where I really don't need to be carrying much other than my phone, a lip gloss, my keys, maybe a little card holder. This is going to be perfect. It's just so pretty. Here's a close-up of the flower pattern. Same on front and back. And it does have jump rings here on the sides. There is supposed to be a larger strap. Let's dig out that so we can see. What I will say about Stoney's is their zippers are luscious. They are so smooth. I absolutely love them. Yep, here's the longer strap. So it's solid blue. You've got that blue flowering on the edges, but the strap itself is solid blue. And then that way, if you're not wanting to carry a top handle, you absolutely can carry it. Oh, they've got plastic. I can't snap this on, but you'd be able to add a little strap. So cute. Okay, definitely smaller than I anticipated, but it's really cute. And I have some things in mind, like I mentioned, like a little date night or on the cruise would be great because you literally don't really need to be carrying much of anything when you're cruising. So this is going to be a great size for that. And then this is definitely more of an everyday bag. This one is the crossbody. They originally released this in the newest Mickey and Friends collaboration in the blue Mickey print, and that one was not my style. So I'm really excited they released it with the spring collection. This is the pattern that I chose. Absolutely stunning. So for size comparison, you can see not much more width-wise or lengthwise, but height, you're getting a lot more. I think you're going to be able to fit a lot more in here. And this one also should have, yep. Oh, we've got 2 straps, a shorter and a longer. Very nice. It's literally the same color as my nails. Oh my God. Cute. Perfect. Absolutely in love. Trying to shove it back in the bag. The strap's back in the bag without catching it on the zipper. Okay. We got it. Okay, moving on to the third collection I ordered was this ridiculous, I mean, my God, this thing doesn't even fit in the frame. It was their diner collection. So they actually released it as kind of an April Fool's joke. They mentioned that there was going to be a pop-up or like a Stoney Clover diner, and I was living for that idea. And then they mentioned it was April Fool's, but instead they were doing a diner collection. So I did peek into this one because we just went to Studios and I wanted to get pictures with my Fanny at Mel's Dine-In. So if you guys follow me on Instagram, which is the same name as here, Katie Renee Torres. You'll have seen pictures with me and my Fanny outside of Mel's Diner, but I absolutely love this pattern. It's the check pattern with the fun white, kind of like off-white, gold, and teal lettering. But let me get the envelope here. Sorry, I keep looking here to make sure I'm actually in frame, so my eyes are diverting. So that one, in this collection, I got the Jumbo Fanny, as I showed you, but I also got the mini pouch, the small pouch, and the large pouch. I am really trying to stay away from the pouches because I have quite a few now. This postcard that came. But I could not say no to these because the patches in this collection were precious. And that's kind of one of my favorite things about Stoney, aside from the durability and just the quality in general of the products, is I love that I can customize things. It's really fun to go on the website and just play with the patches on all of the products. So with this collection, I had to play with the patches. So this is the first one I got, the mini, and it is the same check pattern as the Fanny, and I had the little car, the little 50s car on there. Then on the small, I got this fun, I think this one's called, it's like hollow or some, it's like a holographic glitter vinyl, definitely like the vinyl booths you sit at in the diners. And we got a cheeseburger, a milkshake, and fries. I mean, nothing on the back, but precious, right? And then lastly, got this vinyl. Ugh, it's just so good. This is a large. And then I have a roller skate, a jukebox, and sunglasses. And then this very 50s primetime or sci-fi dine-in signage that says "Let's roll" to go with the roller skate. But the vinyl fabric on these pouches is just so fun and so unique from their kind of like wipe down cloth. I don't know what that is. I guess vinyl, but nothing on the back here. Oh my gosh, I am absolutely in love. I'm so excited. I'm finally getting to open all of these. They've been sitting in my closet for so long. Ah, okay. All right, so finally, I have this most recent collection to me. Like I said, they've since released the Pixar collection and the Canvas collection, which I was able to refrain from. But this was their like early summer Hawaiian vacation summer getaway, and I got in the packing slip the same. Oh, I'm kind of bummed. Normally their stickers and postcards are reflective of the collections, so that's why I always opt, because you on the website can get all of the extra stuff or go green, which is, it doesn't come with any of this, it just comes with your products in the box. And I always opt for the fun stuff because you get like fun stickers and postcards that, as I said, match the collection. But for all of these, they've been the same, so that's kind of a bummer. I would have opted to go green then. I got the Sunshine State of Mind Heart Change Purse, the Jumbo Fanny, and the it should be the camera bag, but I'm not seeing that on here. And there was already kind of a problem with my collection because I also ordered the sunglasses case, and they emailed me maybe 2 weeks after I placed my order and said that it was sold out even after I had placed the order and it went through, and they couldn't give it to me. So they refunded me, which was fine, but I kind of already had an issue. Oh, but it looks like it's in here. Okay, so I don't know why it wasn't on the packing thing. That's weird. All right, we'll start with the Fanny. Clearly I need no more Fannies in my life. I absolutely loved this blue, and I opted to do monochromatic looks with this collection. So I opted for the blue lettering on top of the blue Fanny. Absolutely love that. So cute. And I really like, it's very sporty. I really like the white trim on the handle, the strap. This is the, oh my God, it's so cute. This is the little, stop it, the heart coin purse. And then this is the brand new camera bag. So nice and square. They did since release this style in the Toy Story collection. It was like Woody's wallpaper, sorry, Andy's wallpaper, the blue with the clouds. But again, opted for the monochrome. I did my name with the pink lettering on top. I know that this one has a longer strap. There we go. Got the strap in there. Okay, I mean, you better stop it right now. It's so cute. Oh my God. I really do, I love it. Okay, so that is absolutely everything, which is entirely too much. My 4 boxes. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I've been dying to film it. I'm so excited to go play with my pieces and put them into my closet, have them become part of the collection. If you guys enjoyed, please make sure you give this video a thumbs up and subscribe, and I'll talk to you next time. Bye.